Hey there! In this video, I'll show you how to play in full screen on chess.com. Whether you want to stay focused or just enjoy a cleaner view, going full screen makes a huge difference. Let's jump in. So first, open up chess.com and start a game. This can be a live chess match, a daily game, or even puzzles or analysis mode. Now, chess.com doesn't have a direct full screen button like YouTube does, but there are a couple of easy ways to get that effect. Option 1. Use browser full screen. The quickest way is to use your browser's full screen feature. If you're on Windows, just press F11 on your keyboard. If you're on a Mac, press Ctrl plus Command plus F. This will remove your browser tabs and address bar, making chess.com fill the entire screen. To exit, just press the same keys again. Option 2. Use Zen Mode, premium feature. If you have a chess.com premium subscription, there's a special feature called Zen Mode. To activate it, start a game, click the gear icon, and turn on Zen Mode. It hides chat, menus, and other distractions, giving you a super clean interface. Option 3. Install chess.com as an app. If you followed the earlier video where we installed chess.com as a progressive web app, that version automatically opens in a minimal, windowed view that looks like full screen. And that's it. Now you can play distraction-free and focus fully on your game. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and tap the bell icon. Got any questions or tips of your own? Leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching.